Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. Like I said, I'm going to thank you guys every single video because it just absolutely means the world. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. A couple of reminders, make sure that you're fully entered for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll card that right up here right now. Also, always remember there is a timestamp comment that's pinned in the comments below, so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. Alright, so with that said, I have a pretty interesting video for us today. I don't know how this is going to go, we're going to find out. So what I have planned is I'm going to go into an O'Reilly Auto Parts store and see what exactly they carry for the Tesla Model 3. I have absolutely no idea. I know that Tesla is pretty strict regarding parts for the Tesla Model 3, and it's usually only through an authorized dealer. But I just thought, I feel like they have something, and I guess we're gonna find out if you can, if there's anything that you can buy here for your Tesla Model 3, and if it's worthwhile doing so. Obviously, there's window washing fluid, there's windshield wipers, there's all those standard items, but what else do they carry that you could potentially replace on your Model 3 without having to go to a Tesla service center? So that's what we're going to find out today. Today is going to be kind of more like a vlog. We'll give this a try. I'll go in there and ask. I have cleared with them that it's okay that I film, so we're going to go in there and see what they carry for the Model 3. I will be as surprised as you are if they do carry anything, but we're going to find out. So let's get right into it, and we're going to head inside. Okay, we'll see you guys soon. All right, it is a beautiful day here in Colorado. It is 72 and partly cloudy, and we have made it to O'Reilly Auto Parts. If you guys can see that in my background there, hopefully you can. But yeah, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna see what exactly they might carry for a Tesla Model 3. I can't imagine that it's gonna be that much, but you really never know with these kind of places. So we're gonna find out and see what they have here. Alright, so we're just going to start by browsing the aisles here. I don't imagine that there's going to be anything here that's explicitly Tesla. Obviously all of these are generic and are going to be for anything. Same with wiper blades, windshield washer fluid, seat covers, floor mats. Could get a nifty steering wheel cover. That would be fun. How's it going, man?
What up, man?
Alright, so I think I have a pretty unique request for you.
Okay.
I own a 2018 Tesla Model 3,
okay,
and I just wanted to see if you guys happen to carry any parts for that.
Let's see.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay, so I have a limited amount of things I can offer for that car, but I do have, I can get you wiper blades.
Wiper blades, okay.
Wiper blades. I can get you front cover car bras.
Okay, like a car bra. Okay, alright. How much does that cost?
That's a special order, so it'd be like 3 to 5 days out. But,
3 to 5 days out, okay.
Let's see here. They're $238.99.
$238.99.
And then there's freight charges, so if you do like a 3 to 5 day ground, $738. Next day air, it'd be like $12 extra.
Okay.
But that is something we can get for a Tesla.
Okay, interesting. All right. Do you carry like bulbs for them, or yeah, and then maybe tire pressure monitoring sensors, anything like that?
Let's see. I know those things have HIDs. We carry HIDs.
You do? Okay. Right on.
No lighting. No lighting for that thing.
No lighting. Okay.
No lighting.
All right.
That's got its own thing.
Good to know. Good to know.
We do have TPMS sensors. Those are about $50 each.
$50 each.
But we do carry those for that vehicle.
Okay.
4 of them, you'd be looking at like $200 for 4 of them.
All right, and that's mainly looking like
That's probably it, man.
Okay. All right. Cool. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
No problem.
What's your name?
Chris.
Colin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Cool, man.
Cool. And you don't mind if I post this on
Not
YouTube?
at all.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Go give you a follow and subscribe and all that stuff.
Yeah, that'd be great, man. We're almost up to 2,000, so we're getting there. Yeah.
Cool, man.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. So there we have it. We went into O'Reilly with low expectations, and we left O'Reilly with low expectations. They don't carry a lot. Tesla has ensured this. Work that needs to be done on Teslas needs to be done through Tesla service centers. So as we saw, they carry tire pressure monitoring sensors, which are about $50 a piece. They do also carry brake pads. I found that out after I left there. I don't think they actually carry them for the Tesla Model 3 Performance. They also carry a full-on bra, quite a bit over $300 there for a regular old bra for the vehicle. But I guess when you compare that to paint protection film and clear bra, it might be semi worth it. No, not really, because it just destroys the look of the vehicle. Also, they do carry the wiper blades for the vehicle. One thing that I was surprised that they did not carry was lights. They did not carry any sort of light replacements for the Model 3. No taillights, no headlights, nothing like that. As we saw, they had a very, very limited selection. As we've kind of seen with rich rebuilds and everything like that, it's pretty difficult, and the only way to really source parts for Teslas is off of crashed or salvaged Teslas that, you know, have seen better days. I thought that would be a fun video. It did kind of confirm my expectations. Anyways, it was good to find out. I hope you guys found this helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Any videos you want to see on the channel, make sure to comment those. As always, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much for the support. Got a lot of new video ideas coming up here, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video.